Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Don't forget to wear mask and use gloves while buying it. Use hand sanitizers as much as you can and wash your hands as frequently as you can. Okay, rather than wasting more time of yours, let's go to deal one by one. So I bought the haul of this week. It is from 27th September till 3rd of October. So that this week I got the deal. I have done some decent deals. I have used my extra bucks to purchase some stuff as well. So I'm going to show one by one or each of them. Let's dive into it. So first deal is on detergent. These Tide detergent is this week is spend 30 get $10 extra bucks. So I purchased these three. One of them is Draft Newborn, other one is Tide Pods, and other one is Downy. So I purchased these three because I had CRTs belonging to them. I had $3 Tide CRT that can only work on 21 count. I had $3 Draft detergent CRT. I had $3 Downy CRT. Then I got the coupons from P&G. That was $3 for Tide, $2 for Draft, $3 for Downy. And plus I had a bonus points of $6 off $30 CRT. So combining all of them, that reduces my total to $12.82. I got back $10 extra bucks, making it $2.82 for all three of them. I think this is a decent deal that it is $1 for the detergent. Usually they are extremely expensive, and if you have those CRTs, don't forget to combine them. Let's go to next deal. Next deal is on Aquaphor and Eucerin. So Aquaphor and Eucerin this week is spend 20 get $10 extra buck, limit of 1. So I purchased these three ointment, not ointment, these are advanced therapy. They were at $7.29 at my store. I purchased three of them. That brought my total to $21.87. Then I used two coupons of $2 from This Week Insert. I used $2 coupon from, I pushed that on my card, send to card, and then I used $4 of $20 lotion CRT. That reduces my total to $11.87. I got back $10 extra bucks, making it $1.87 out of pocket. But story did not stop there. I submitted the receipt to Ibotta. That is $1 for each of these at my Ibotta platform, and I got $1 as bonus as well. That is $4 from Ibotta, making it $2.13 moneymaker. Okay, so let's go to next deal. So Nivea lip care is buy two get $5 extra bucks. At my store they were $3.89. I purchased these two of them. Then we all got that $5 thing, that $5 free item thing. So I used that, and I had $1 for Nivea lip care send to card. So I used those two coupons, and that reduces my total to $2.89. I rolled off $2.89, got back $5 extra bucks, making it $2.11 moneymaker. So usually we do a lot of money makers, like that's how we roll. But what are we going to use them on? So this week I tried using them. So I purchased Ajax for $1. I purchased this soda, the 12 cans on each of them. That is 36 can for $10. And then Maybelline foundation. So I had two CRTs of $4 each. I used both of them on Maybelline, making it 59 cents out of pocket only. And this counts toward beauty as well, so that we will get the 59 cents I think back. Werther's original were $2.99 at my store, and online also they are showing $2.99. So I used that. Cotton was $2.69 at the store, but I had two CRTs of $1 beauty cotton. Beauty 360 cotton. So I used that, reduces it to 69 cents only. Then Saloon cover app was 50% off this week. It was around 9 something at my store, and it rang around $4.94 in my receipt after 50% off. So that those things I used. Then Almond Joy and Kit Kat and Sneaker is also part of this deal. buy two for $2, and when you buy two, you will get back $1 extra bucks. And guys, whenever you go to your store, just roam around to see if there is anything on clearance. Like I found these Yankee candles, they were at 75% on clearance. So big candle that is around, that cost me $4.94, and this the other one without the lid, that is $3.84. So I think these are the decent deal that we do moneymakers. So I used my moneymakers this week to purchase these household stuff. I hope this can help you as well. And don't forget to use them, use your coupons, because eventually they will they will expire and you won't get the time to use them. So don't forget to use them. Thanks for watching my video. Really appreciate your time. I hope this can help you in saving more. And don't forget to use hand sanitizers and wash your hands. Use gloves and mask while doing anything. Thank you. Stay tuned.